Welcome to Click and Trade mobile app of Viramat. In this video, we are going to look about the special features of this app. After the activation of your Viramat account, you will receive the Viramat user ID and password. If you have not downloaded Viramat app yet, then you can download it using the link given in the description. Or you can download it direct from the Play Store. Search Viramat app in Play Store. Kindly install. Once you open the app, the login page will appear. Enter your client code and password. If you forgot your password, kindly click Forgot Password. You will receive recovery password to your email ID and mobile number. After entering your password, you will receive one-time password to your registered mobile number and email ID. After entering your OTP, kindly log in through the login page. As you can see, as soon as you log in, you will able to see a screen called dashboard. In the screen, you can watch your balance, your margin available, your margin used, your orders, buy and sell orders, and your holding details. Next, we have profile option. In this, you can view your account details, your personal details, and your bank details. There is an option. Here is an option called search. Here you can search any stock and you can add to watch list. In watch list, you can add free list. Basically, you can add companies here that you want to keep tracking. Let's assume I want to track ITC share or NSE, so I'll search for ITC. I'll click plus or enter button. As you can see, it's now added to my watch list. You can add up to 20 per watch list. When I click on ITC, you can view buy or sell option. Here you can place orders in short and you can view market depth, chart, and you can delete also. Here is an option. You can short by alphabetical order, percentage, and LTP. Now I click on market depth. This window pops up. Important things to note here are the last traded price. This tells us how much the stock is trading at the very moment and percentage change. Here you can see buy or sell. Below that you can see the market depth, that is top 5 buyers and sellers and their price and quantity in detail. Below to that you can view closing price, open, high, low, and other details of the stock. Once you purchase or sell orders, you can view your orders in order option. In this option, you can view your pending, your open orders. If the order is executed, you can view in trade option and detailed in position option. And there is also other features like holding, activity, journal, margin, and funds. Interesting things to view in funds option. Here you can view client's ledger deposit, pay in or payout, profit or loss margin, and used margin. Here you can view deposit and withdraw option. In a single window, you can able to deposit or withdraw fund. On the left hand side, you can view world markets, cross currency spot rates, forex heat map, screener, economic calendar, band list, result calendar, and SGC Nifty. In the middle page, you can add your favorite index graph. On the right hand side, you can view the extra features available. Upcoming notification will be notified at the notification bar. And you can change your theme color, you can set your layout, and there are some shortcut keys available. If you have any queries, there is a call option. Kindly call and support us. Thank you.